Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to optimize audio settings for gaming headsets in 2025. Let's elevate your gaming experience. Before diving into the settings, it's crucial to understand some key audio terms like equalizer, surround sound, and more. Step 1. Let's access the audio settings on your gaming platform. Whether you're on PC, console, or another device, it's straightforward. Now, let's configure the equalizer settings. Adjusting these sliders can greatly enhance your sound quality. Step 3 involves adjusting the surround sound features for an immersive experience. Make sure you have these options enabled. In Step 4, let's fine-tune your microphone settings to ensure crystal clear communication during gameplay. Step 5, it's time to utilize software enhancements provided by your headset manufacturer to get the best sound experience. Finally, Step 6, put on your headset and test the settings. Listen closely and find your preferred audio profile. In conclusion, remember to regularly update your audio settings to adapt to different game environments for an optimal experience.